Hey guys, today we're going to simplify expressions with variables. Alright, so I have a radical here. This is the square root of 9x to the 6th power. Alright, so there's a couple ways you could go about this. I would break it up into two pieces. Alright, as the square root of 9 times the square root of x to the 6th. Okay, well, we know the square root of 9. Oh, we already know that, right? That is 3. So the square root of 9 is 3. Now we need to find out what's the square root of x to the 6th. Well, isn't that x to the 6 divided by 2? So therefore, this is 3 to the x. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it is 3x to the 3rd power. All right. Another example I wanted to show you is if you have 4y to the 6th power raised to the 1/2 power. Okay. Well, you can actually take the 1/2 power and apply it to the 6 and the 1/2 power and apply it to the 4. So I have 4 to the 1/2 power times y to the 6th raised to the 1/2 power. Okay. Now I have 4 to the 1/2 power. Well, that's the square root of 4 times, we'll do y to the 6 over 2. All right, I'm going to bring it down here. The square root of 4 is 2, and then this is y to the 6 divided by 2, so that's y to the 3rd power. So the answer to this one is 2y to the 3rd power. All right, another example would be the 3rd root of x to the 3rd over y to the 6th. Well, I can break this up into the 3rd root of x to the 3rd over the 3rd root of y to the 6th well, the 3rd root of x to the 3rd is x. Well, let me show you this real quick. Because it's x to the 3 over 3, right? 3rd root, 3rd power, over y, 6th power, 3rd root, right? So this is x to the 1st power, which is just x, over y to the 6 divided by 3 is 2, so it's y squared. So the answer to that one is x over y squared. All right. Next, we have 3a to the 3/2 power c. And I'm going to divide that by a c to the -2. All right, so we can treat that as 3a to the 3/2 minus 1 c to the 1 minus -2. Okay? So now we simplify that. And that's 3a. Now 3/2 minus 1 Well, 1 is 2 halves, So 3 halves minus 2 halves is 1 half. All right. And then c to the 1 minus negative 2 is positive 3. All right, because 1 minus negative 2 is 1 plus 2, which is 3. All right, and there's the answer for that one.